Welcome to the golden age of makeup, hair and skin. Our country is being obsessed to makeup, hair and skin, and so do I. Makeup, hair and skin has become a very big revolution. The beauty of it is in its versatility. I am here to contribute and to be a part of this billion-dollar business as you all do. I have learned along the way while my studies about it, and gradually as I knew more about it, I found myself in it. It's not easy as you think to teach you what I have come across in this field. It's not a place where you learn. It's a place where you can create and explore yourself. In this field, majorly you should blend creativity with technique. My academy is very well equipped. My academy is about guiding students into this beautiful and influential world and also finding their inner self. It's not about teaching a subject, I do not do that. It's about creating an art. I am highly aware of its influence in the society. Quaintrelle has been founded to be in the backstage for many makeup, hair and skin artists to guide and to explore themselves. I create, educate, guide and evaluate. Explore the power and the beauty of makeup, hair and skin. Quaintrelle is here to be a part of you all.